Achoo! 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 Oh, achoo! 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 Wow! Oh, get it! That's what I'm talking about. I need you to be like that. I think we need to put Lily away. Oh my God! You got it, girl. You got it. You is possessed. Big time, Lily. Oh my goodness. This thing wobbly right now. Okay, here. Shove it all the way up. Make it sturdy. And shove it. And yeah, good girl. Yeah, okay, ready? Go. I know. She's just showing off now. You wait your turn, okay? You go next. She don't want to do it no more, and we'll let you have a go at it, okay? Come on, Lily. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl, Lily. Come on. Lily. Yay! Lily, go. Ninja. Ready? Ready? Yeah. They hit the wall. Yeah, this Bobby, you worry about somebody scratching, tearing this thing up. No problem. We had the two biggest dogs here, Ninja and Tiger, both get a turn climbing out, and so did Lily there. Oh, Ninja, good boy. You ready? Lily, go! What's that, about 7-8 foot? Yeah, the jump's pretty good. 8 foot. We need like a ramp over there. She can get like a running start. She could get 20 feet. What is this? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 foot? It can't be 30 foot. No. Ready. Go! What is that? Encouragement? You got her leaping though. That's like halfway across the pool. It's 15 foot. Imagine her running and then fucking just, you know. You could win prize money doing that, girl. Good girl, Lily.